Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So before this project, so I am Sodik Zaki Nisa. Let me introduce myself. I am Sodik Zaki Nisa. I am from TRKJ, and so I will make two assignment, week assignment about Cisco. Cisco from LMS. Okay, so look this the project. Okay, before this, look, this is switch host. Okay, the configuration, rename and enable secret for switch. This is the step 1 basic configuration. Look this. Okay. The Before this, the step 1, make to host name. Yes, nah, this is such as SW4. Look this. After this, look this again. Okay. Nah, this is the SW3. Now was name. After this, router 2. This is router 2. Okay. Switch 2. Astagfirullahaladzim. Switch 2. Sorry. Switch 2. This is switch 3. Yes, switch 3. This is switch 1. You can see this. Okay. After this, we can make to this enable term config. Hostname core. This is the enable secret. Okay. After this, look this. This is okay. The hostname core SU. Enable secret Cisco. Okay. After this, okay. For core router, okay. Before this, switch. After this the router. Okay. So after this, look this RTR. Okay. After this, look. Okay. Ini this. Okay. Hostname. Ini in the RTR1. Okay. Hostname. The part 2 is the configure VLAN and trunking in core SW2 and 4. Okay, this is trunking. Okay, this. Okay, this. Okay. After this, wait. This is the my project. Okay. The my project is this is. Any the VLAN 10, name VLAN 10. VLAN 20, name VLAN 20 until yes 30. After this, interface range because we go to the VLAN. Yes, access VLAN. This is switch port mode access, VLAN 10, interface range. Okay, this is 4 until 5, 6 until 7. Okay, this is 2 until 7. This is switch port access VLAN 30, 20, 10. Okay, the topology is this is okay. After this, after we VLAN, yes. This is we to this interface range. This is 2 until 3 switch port mode access, VLAN 10, yes. This is the 4, 5, yes. This is the switch port, mode access, switch port, access VLAN 20, interface range VA 6, 7, under 7, switch port mode access VLAN 30, interface range VA, this is, nah, okay, spending 3 port fast. Nah, after this, okay, after this, okay, look the VLAN, yes, do show VLAN brief. Nah, the result this is, okay. After this, the do write, yes. Nah, sorry, this is do show VLAN brief, do show interface trunk. Nah, okay. Now after this, do write. Okay, now this is the SW4. After this, go to this is. Nah, okay. Nah, the same, yes, interface. Nah, the important is this is the default, the VLAN. Okay, now this is the configuration. You can look this. Okay, nah, this is. Okay, nah, this is switch port encapsulation. Okay, okay, so encapsulation.1q switch port mode terang do short brief. Okay, after this, nah, because this. Okay, the part 2 is the configuration SVI and DHCP. Nah, this is the VLAN 10 is this is IP address, VLAN 20, this is VLAN 30 is this is. Okay, now this is the configuration. Okay, now this is the configuration. Okay, this is the SVI. Okay, check the SVI. Okay, let's do try. After this, look to the, nah, this is the configuration switch and DHCP server on core. Yes, nah, this is the tag IP address. Nah, this is such as interface VLAN 10. After this, IP address, yes, look, make the address. This is after this interface VLAN 20. Now after this you can, this is IP address. Now this is the VLAN 30. Now after this IP address. Okay, now do show IP interface brief. Now because this is the check IP. Okay, nah, look, you can look this. Okay, after this is the part 2 configuration SVI. Nah, this is the core SW2. Nah, this is the IP routing. Okay, nah, this is, you can look this. Nah, okay, make to the DHCP pool. After this network, after this default router, after this DNS server. Nah, until scroll, yes, scroll, okay, scroll. Okay, nah, this is. Okay, let's try. After this, look to the, okay, the my praktek. Yes, this is. Oh, sorry. Nah, this is for SW2. Nah, okay. Nah, this is IP DHCP full VLAN. Okay. Nah. So look to the PC, PC 12, 12, yes. Okay. After this, click the IP configuration. Nah, this is the successful. Okay. After this, the part 3, configure VLAN and trunking. Nah, this is, you can see this. Nah, VLAN 14, nah, name VLAN. Nah, this is, okay. Nah, okay. This is the interface range, switch port access VLAN. After this, spending 3 port fast. After this, switch port mode terang. Okay. Now the safe configuration is this is the right. Okay. let's try. This is the my configuration. Look this. This is VLAN 40, name VLAN 40, VLAN 50, name VLAN 50, VLAN 16, A60, VLAN name VLAN, interface range, yes, 0 2 until 3, switch port mode access VLAN, yes. Okay, now this is the switch port access VLAN, interface range, switch port mode access. Okay, after this, the interface range 0 2 until 7. This is any spanning 3 port phase. Okay, now after this, switch interface fast Ethernet 0 1. Okay, switch port mode terang. Okay, after this do red. Okay, after this, this is name VLAN. Okay, nah, configure VLAN and trunking. Okay, nah, this is the ending. Okay, let's try. Okay, the result, this is the SW2. Nah, this is take the name VLAN. After this interface range, after this switch port mode access VLAN, yes. Okay, nah, this is the phase edge. After this pending 3 port phase. This is to show VLAN brief. Before this interface far, yes, no range because the one cable. Okay, switch port mode terang. After this do red. Okay, nah, complete. The part 3 is the configure SVI and DHCP server on core SW1. Okay, the configure VLAN. Okay, nah, this is core SW1. Okay, nah, this is SW1. Nah, this is configuration. This is MLS. Okay, let's try. Okay, nah, this is interface VLAN 40. Okay, nah, IP address, this is interface VLAN 50, interface IP address, this is IP address this is 60. Okay, nah, this is 60. Okay, 70. Nah, this is interface VLAN. Okay, forgot ini this is. Nah, switch port mode terang VLAN 40, name VLAN. After this switch port terang encapsulation. After this switch port mode terang IP routing. Configure SVI and DHCP server. This is IP DHCP pool. Nah, this. Nah, this is because we can get to the DHCP in the VLAN. Yes. Nah, this is let's try. Nah, this is the the project, my project. Nah, this is the VLAN, yes. IP DHCP full VLAN 40. Nah, this is network. Nah, this is default router. Nah, this is nah, after I take the IP DHCP after put IP DHCP pool network default router DNS server. Don't forget do right. Fix do right. Nah, after this how the step. Nah, the step is the ping. Nah, look to this sorry. Nah, this is from VLAN 40 until VLAN 70. Yes, nah, the ping this. VLAN 70. Nah, this is the reply. Nah this is the successful. Nah after this the result again, look for this is the DHCP. Nah DHCP is successful, become this. Was but get to DHCP VLAN. So let's do the part 4 VLAN and trunking in SW3 and core RTR3. Before this we can configuration in the SW3. Nah this is the and put the name VLAN. Yes, VLAN, name VLAN. After this interface range. After this switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN, interface range, switch port mode access VLAN, interface range. Yes, spanning 3 port phase. After this interface, again switch port mode trunk. After this the last do show interface trunk. Nah this is the my configuration. Nah this is this is the VLAN 8. Yes, nah name VLAN, ini interface range, ini switch port mode access, switch port VLAN, interface range, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN, interface range, spanning 3 port phase. After this, the default. After this, 18, 19, the VLAN. Yes, nah this is active. This is the core RTR3. Nah this is the my configuration. Nah this is Nah this is interface file 0 1 18 encapsulation.1 key switch port mode trunk encapsulation.1q 18 IP address. After this is encapsulation.1 key. After this after this IP DHCP pool VLAN 18. Nah after this network. Nah after the network, nah the default router. Nah the default router. After this the DNS server. Before this, I will challenge about ping and from this is DHCP. DHCP VLAN. This is from the PC. Yes, this is to the PC. Nah this is was get IP. Nah look this after this. Nah get IP. This is get IP again. Nah this is Nah get IP again. The in SVR2. Nah this is the get IP again. Nah this is nah after this make to this configure the core router. Nah we start this is enable configure terminal. Nah this is shutdown. Nah this is address nah this is clear. RTR 1 this is nah exit interface fast internet. Nah this is this is the RTR1. Nah this is the RTR3. Nah this is the RTR3. Nah this is the after this part 5 configure point to point addressing between core switch. Nah you can see this. This is the interface ether 1. This is no switch port. Nah, this is IP address 10.10.10. Okay, nah this is okay, interface va. This is configure IP address. Nah, nah this test ping. Okay, nah, okay, nah this is okay. After this configure OSPF. Yes. Nah, okay. Nah, this is root OSPF, routing OSPF. Nah, oke. Nah, table routing OSPF. Nah, this is part 7. Configure DNS and web server. Nah, this is DNS. Nah, this is part 7. This is. Nah, this is the theory. Part 8, configure access list. Nah, this is core access list. Summary. This is, so let's try. This is the result from core SW1. Nah, this is, you can see nah, interface va 01, no switch port, IP address 10.10.10 14 it's maybe this is subnet mask. After this, do show IP interface brief. The result. This is the result. Nah this is the router 2. Nah this is the core SW2. Sorry, before this kan SW1. After this SW2. This is IP address 10.10.10. This is do show. This is interface va. After this no switch. Nah, after this after this do write. Nah, the result this test ping from core RTR1. Yes, RTR1 until what this is RTR3. Nah, this is the successful. This is the ping is from RTR1 to core RTR2. This is what? Nah, this is ping 10.10.10 for yes. This is RT2 to RTR1. After this RTR2 to core SW1. Nah this is the command is to ping. This is this is nah after this RTR2 to core SW2. Nah after this to ping 10.10.10.10. Nah after this SW1 to core RTR2. After this to ping. This is sorry, this is mistake. I will change again. Sorry. This is from core SW1 to core RTR2. Okay, nah this is but this is the from core SW2 uh, to core RTR2. Okay, nah this is sukses. Nah this is the root OSPF in core RTR1 router 1. Okay, nah this is okay. I was to network, yes, 10.10.10.4. Okay, this is 3 area, area 0, yes. Nah this is network, nah this is okay. This is from core RTR2. Nah this is the config. Okay, the result this is okay. Nah okay, nah this is the network, yes. Okay, okay, routing OSPF in core SW1. Okay, nah this is the result. Okay, nah it's routing network. Nah this is any network 10.10. Nah this is the 5 yes 5 routing. Okay, okay, nah this is the configuration. Okay, nah this is the configuration. Okay, so nah this is the routing OSPF in core SW2. Nah this is okay. Go to config, in this configure DNS in server 1 server 2. Okay, okay, nah this is the in SVR1 server 1. You can must to address, make to address, yes. This is okay. Nah okay, agunacourse.com, the name, the address. This is 903. Okay, after this click add. Nah become this. Okay, after this go to the SVR1, yes, any SVR1. Okay, nah after this click this is okay. Nah Aguna course. Okay, nah SVR1. Okay, the type is CNAME, yes, CNAME. Nah CNAME. The name in this is www.agunacourse.com. Okay, nah host name this is agunacourse.com. Okay, click add. Nah become this. Okay, after this go to SVR2. Nah okay, nah in the SVR2, yes, any what this is in HTTP, yes, in HTTP, in this is not the actually not comment this is agunacourse.com. Nah but yes, before this the SV2. Okay, nah after this you can copy this is, yes, configure website server welcome to Agunacourse, yes, Agunacourse. Nah after this Agunacourse, yes, you can to paste, yes, you can paste this here, yes, this here. Nah become welcome to agunacourse.com. Nah after this what the step, yes, the step is save. Okay, okay, after this kan save, yes, Astagfirullahaladzim, this is okay, yes, nah save in the SVR2. Nah this is you can must be click this index SVR. Yes, SVR. Nah, this is SVR. Okay. Nah, oh okay, sorry, any mistake. Uh, Before this kan SVR. Nah, you can change be welcome to agunacourse.com. Yes, such as in the first, yes, in the first, while I take this comment. Nah, uh, in this the http agunacourse.com. Nah, in the, yes, in the under any you can go. Nah, go after this any two three, yes, three website again ya. Nah, any the name, yes, three name. Okay. Nah, okay. Okay, in the last, yes, in core RTR. Nah, this is make two comments, yes. Nah, enable configure terminal. This is access list Denny IP address. This is, nah, okay. Okay, this is okay. Nah, access list will not permit it any. Nah, interface fast. This is fast. After this IP access group, this is out. Okay. Okay, and my yes, my point is, yes, 100% alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay. Okay, this is my project. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's do okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.